I grew chrysanthemum every year since I started gardening. For me, it's an absolutely adorable perennial cause there's no flower like chrysanthemum that looks great and lasts so long. This year I am growing some of them, but only setback is I am late. These plants should be planted in May or at least in July to get a round bushy plant. However, I am going to make them bushy as much as possible inside a short time span. I got these plants from a street side plant shop and they charged me 40 rupees, that's around half US$. Considering the amount I spent, I got myself a good deal, you can say. Let's look at the containers we can use to grow chrysanthemums. I tried all sorts of things like earthen pots, grow bags and 10-liter buckets too. So far, I was successful in all of them. No matter which container is used, I focused on good drainage and it gave me great rewards. I've got some pictures of previous seasons. You will see plants are growing beautifully in all of them. This year I am using 10-liter buckets again as earthen pots are hard to get here at my place. I made 8 holes at the bottom and 2 holes on the sides of all buckets. To provide good drainage, making holes on pots isn't going to work unless we choose right potting soil. I personally like to mix normal garden soil, sand and leaf manure in 3:1:1 ratio. Because humus holds moisture for a long time, I found too much humus-rich soil not appropriate for chrysanthemums. Let's plant these beauties first. I already filled up the containers with my preferred potting mix. Now I will take a sapling, turn it upside down and pull out the plastic bag. It comes off easily this way. Before planting, slightly tease the roots, as it kind of breaks the shackles and roots start roaming freely in the new potting mix. Cover the base of the plant and soak the container for the first time. We don't need water for the next 15 to 20 days as roots will be settling in by that time. After 15 to 20 days, I will start pinching chrysanthemums. This is what makes them bushy. The very first pinching should be done when plants are 6 to 8 inch tall. Multiple shoots will emerge from the leaf nodes and I will pinch them again when they reach 3 inch length. This is like a continuous process. We can keep pinching every branches until the plants look really nice and bushy. Not only pinching, using proper fertilizer at proper time and using fungicide helps chrysanthemum plants look beautiful as ever. In growing stage, I use nitrogen-rich fertilizer at every 10 days interval. For this purpose, liquid solution of mustard cake is my favorite fertilizer. It keeps feeding my plants for a long time and really works like a charm. Other than this, I also use balanced NPK and micronutrients for better overall growth. Chrysanthemums are very prone to fungal diseases. Generally, fungal growth starts from the lower leaves near the plant base and gradually spreads up to the top. To put an end, we must drench the potting soil with 1% systemic fungicide solution once in a month. Any good fungicide should work in this case. This is how I take care of my chrysanthemum plants at early stage. I will come back later with an update video. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and share your feedbacks down in the comments. Subscribe Gardening Escape channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. Stay fit and happy gardening.